How's it going, people? TikTok keep nagging me to do my first live session, so here it is. Give it a go. Thought while I'm here, give you a very sneaky preview of what's upcoming soon, which is the garage build, as I called it, and I'll show you what we're working on today, which is family car in the background there. So yeah, a bit of a walk round. So originally I started off as a mobile mechanic working at the back of what was the family car. Needed a bit of extra income, and then COVID hit, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to keep plugging at it. It kind of worked out well because I was helping out the nurses and doctors in the street, so word of mouth got out there, and then worked my way up to having a second car, which was the works van. I then went from a works van to another car, and so on and so forth, and eventually built myself up, so I got a van. And then I went from a small van to a bigger van, and I went from a bigger van to owning this particular area. I say owning, behind you was Garage Build 1. It's locked up currently because I'm working down the bottom there. But essentially it was a favours for favours deal. I worked on the farmers' vehicles, and I got to get a space where I could work in the dry, and that was a shit though when I had it. Built that up to where it is now, but then things got busier, and a little sneaky preview of what's to come. So starting from that metal pillar, going across to that metal pillar, it's going to be gated off, and then we've got from there all the way down to where the lift is essentially. So this will come in a series of videos. I'll probably start with showing you the build of that one to where it was, and then I'll show you the build of this one. I'll kind of roll the videos out in a timely sequence. There's a lot to do, don't get me wrong, but yeah, right now what we're up to. So this current build, blocked off, insulated, got a wall to go along here, the 2 posters in, lights are in, got water, electric, lots of cement work to do, lots of bricking to do, just lots of stuff to do. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, please jump on and follow. But while I'm here now, let's see if we can figure out, don't actually know how to do this camera malarkey, flip camera, there we go. So yeah, this is wifey's car, seats out currently, but a squeaky front seat, it's a Ford Mondeo. So I think while the seat is out now, take all the crap out this year, give that a good clean for her, score some brownie points. And essentially what the problem was, so you might get this in other cars as well, but just down there was a bolt that had worked loose, and then this was bumping up and down. I did a separate video, I'll post that up shortly. But yeah, that's all done and dusted. I'm going to hoover that out now. I'm not going to go as far as taking the other seat out because that's a bit overkill. But yeah, this is where we're at. So like I say, this is the garage, the agricultural garage build that we got going on, because I need a place to work on the farmers' vehicles, and I can bring some of my own stuff down here. So we're coming down as far as here, do that workshop for him, this workshop all the way down to that metal pole right there. That's as far as where we're going. So yeah, not bad, is it? Started from well, like I say, back of a car essentially. If you're interested in starting something up, don't be afraid to do it. You've got to chip at it, keep plugging into it. Friends, family support you, word of mouth is really important, and this is where I'm at now. You know, I've always dreamed of having a lift, and I've got one. It's great. You haven't got to work on your back anymore. I've always dreamed of having a roof over my head to work. I've got that too. So winner winner, chicken dinner. Like I say, if you want to follow along, guys, girls, please hit follow, helps the channel grow. Shows my son also that anyone can be an influencer, as he calls them. Anyone can have a go at doing these videos, and yeah, set yourself a goal, stick to it, don't let anyone or anything get in your way, and just crack on and give it a go. I'd like to keep this live